video recipe for refrigerator pickles. Get your cucumbers, whatever kind you like to use. Peel it, slice some onions, put in there. I slice them pretty thin. If they're thick, they take too long to get. So cut up however many you need to fill up whatever container you're going to use. Okay, they're all cut up. I put 1 or 2 slices of onions, a few pieces near the bottom, a few pieces near the middle, a few pieces to the top, and then we're ready to add the rest of the stuff. We need salt, a pretty good amount of salt. The vinegar is going to eat that right up. And we put vinegar in next. And however your container is, fill it about halfway. So I don't know if you can see it, but cucumbers are here, bottom's there. I'm about halfway between the top and the bottom with the vinegar. Don't gotta be exact. And we need some good old pepper. Again, you can put a lot in there because vinegar and water will do its thing. Now you just need a little juice from jalapenos or serranos, and it don't take much. Put that in there for jalapenos, and that much will burn you up if they're serranos. And of course you want to throw a couple on top. Finish filling it up with water so they're floating a little bit. And stick them in the fridge, wait 2 days, and invite me over.